We got ourselves a bang over here. Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin with Corey. We are out here on a Thursday morning, doing the thing of gigness, which is what you probably subscribe to this channel for. So, a couple things different here. I got some new specs on. I got in my new Meta glasses here. Also using my Insta360, and I have a mic now. So, you know, we have stepped up huge in the world, just like George Jefferson. But if it's your first time here, I am a dad who can't work a regular job due to my family logistics. So these gig apps are how I make my money. I take you along for the ride with me and give you my tips and tricks. Sometimes we do some travel. Apparently you guys like that Seekonk video I did the other day at the racetrack, but racetrack's closed for the season. But anyways, we're at Walmart. I was hoping to take some shipped orders this morning, but those didn't come to fruition because by the time I dropped the kids off and got up here, they were gone. And fuck, I forgot my coffee. Now we're really screwed. I forgot my coffee at home. Maybe we'll go fix that. But 9 o'clock, 9:30 on a morning weekday. We'll see what we get. I did take another .com the other day. Here's what it is. I didn't record it because it was downpouring. So that wasn't ideal, but whatever. Took another .com. They've been paying almost $2 a mile, $80+. So if I get another one of those, screw it. I'll just do a .com and go home again. But as I always say, I'll let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all.
One eternity later.
All right, it's been about an hour and I was losing all my motivation, but something happened. And I haven't got to say this saying in a very long time, but I'm going to say it.
Say the line, Bart!
We got ourselves a bang over here.
Yay!
$70, 11 miles. It's about 50 items, so it's not too bad at all. It's only about 50 items. Did I just say that? I don't know. I've forgotten everything here, but let's go shop this. Let's go deliver it, and hopefully we can stack something after it. So let's go. Why do Walmart carriages always do that? If you haven't tried this yet, you got the flash button now. Press this flash button, A912. I already know where it is, but you know, cool little features. Only a couple other apps have that. I did scan the barcode. That's another glitch for today. Zero sugar sweet tea. Brain cannot compute that. All right, that one's dropped off, and we are in another one of those annoying situations where it's about a 20-minute drive back up. It is lunchtime, so I'll do it today. If this was like a half hour later, I probably wouldn't. But $71. Oh, we can get on DoorDash here. DoorDash is red, so there's a couple small places in this area. Let's see if we get anything. But one thing I did do on there, again, recorded a couple of my my new glasses. This will be the trial run on everything on my Insta and my glasses. So hopefully this is coming out okay. But I did the flash thing, and not that kind of flash, but the flash on the shelf, which is super huge. I mean, Walmart already spoon feeds you anyways when it comes to your like where the items are. So I guess it's not really that big of a deal. But you know, anything is better than nothing when it comes to like, you know, there's certain aisles that it is a little hard. The tags are small, so using that little flash feature to light up where the item is super helpful. But again, about 20 minutes back up to Walmart. I'll let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all.
Bruh.
All right, as you can tell, the lighting is different. The angle is different. I'm recording on my iPhone, which I might actually prefer than my Insta camera. So, but anyways, we only effectively did that one order today. That $171 shop. That is really all we did. I came back out to do dinner rush. DoorDash said like 10 to 20 minutes. I only have about two and a half hours before I need to get home to produce a video for my other YouTube channel that I haven't told anybody about. So if it's gonna be a dead day, I'm not just gonna stay out and maybe make $5. That's not worth the time. So yeah, not really much to report. Not really any talking points about this one. Just I got a good order. Was happy about it, and we'll hope tomorrow is a better day. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this slowly, but we're having fun doing it. Let's see if we can bring some more friends along for the ride. We are looking to get 600 subscribers. We need a lot of watch hours. I'm not asking you to binge watch my stuff, but hopefully, well, I think I'm going to probably plan some live streams in the next week. So maybe we'll start having some fun with that. Maybe I'll get an extra phone. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But either way, appreciate all of you for the ride, all the comments, all the kind words. And this was Cruisin with Corey.